Hello everyone. Today I will design a toast packaging in Adobe Illustrator. I will share my complete design process from layout to the final mockup. Let's begin. First, I will draw a simple shape to develop my design idea. Usually, I always try to do different kind of rough sketch to develop my idea. Now, I will create the Dieline using the exact measurement of the package.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side.
After complete the Dieline, next I will make the biscuit image clear and sharp in Photoshop. Copy the record from Illustrator file and paste in Adobe Photoshop to get best measurement. Now place the file in Illustrator and align the PSD biscuit image with Dieline.
Golden sunlight. If I'm going
Create a shape,
I will get to the other side.
cut the shape using
Sinking in
power option
this feels
and always like flag
catching a breeze, love moving through me like a waterfall. Like a waterfall.
and customize the shape. After finishing the red box, I will add another font, like golden color. Then we'll add the text and the toast image and the typography in other product. After complete the full design, I always created 3 options for my client. Hope you also enjoy the full process.
I know I'm holding the best of me out of my head. I know you always understand. Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you,